What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 24,710, up 1.96 on the day. Sitting at a market cap of 469 biggie. 24-hour volume, 37.67 billion. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So a couple of scenarios. Previously, we're looking at a potential running flat ABC, but what we might be seeing is a bit of an overshooting wave B, and then we put in a wave C to bring us further down here to quite possibly the golden ratio of the 0.786, as I've been showing you in previous videos. And the other scenario is that we've simply put in another 1-2, where we've come up here, we've had 1-2, and then once again we've put in a 1-2, and now we're pushing up in a wave 3, which is right here, your target zone for a wave 3. Actually, we'll have to do a little bit of adjustments for a possible wave 3. So potentially what we could be looking at here is that this is your wave 1 of the wave 3, and then we're going to see a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To complete that wave 3, I'll move everything over here in the next video. So if that were to be the scenario, which is quite bullish here, then you would take your fib retracement. If this is the completion of a wave 1 and we've come up in a little bit of a wave 1, wave 2, this is your wave 3, wave 4, and that's your final wave 5, then your wave 2 pullback, we'll take a measurement from the top to the bottom. The minimum target would be the 0.382. Let's drop in a little yellow box at about 24K. And then we'll drop the yellow box all the way down to the 0.786 at about 23.1K. So if we are going to put in a wave 2 pullback here, then that would be your potential bounce zone in between 24K and about 23.2K for a wave 2 of the larger wave 3. Let's move. Should I move everything over right now? Oh, lordy lord. Okay. Maybe I'll skip ahead with a little bit of editing here. Potentially what we're looking at is this is an impulsive wave 1, this yellow circle right here. This is a wave 2 pullback, and we would put in a 1-2, 1-2, and this is your wave 3. So this would be impulsive wave 1, corrected wave 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave 3 in yellow, and then see a wave 4 pullback and a final wave 5 to complete the wave 3 in pink. And then you have your larger wave count, where this is your wave 1, this is your wave 2. We put in a bunch of 1-2, 1-2s basically, and we're looking for a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the largest wave count, which is here in green, which starts all the way from the bottom here, where we put in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. If you're new to Elliott Wave, I know this can look really confusing. There's some incredible videos on YouTube. It explains how the wave counts work, and then you'll have a better understanding. Just take some time, all right, guys? So potentially that's the bullish scenario. And the second bullish scenario is that we've come down in a wave A. This is an overshooting wave B, and we're looking for a wave C to bring you down for that wave 2 pullback, and then look for that wave 3 to the upside. I still think there's a high potential that we at least push up to this wick here, which is currently coming in about 25.3K. Have come very close. We came up to 24.9K, so we're only about, less than $1,000 away from that wick. So we could top out, potentially put in a double top. As you can see, as we've been pushing up here, volume has been declining, which is not a strong signal for an impulsive move to the upside. Basically, we've just been going chip chop sideways in a bit of an upward direction, but no real strength here, no real impulsive move. But we could be coiling up. Like if we scroll back and you look at bull markets here, before they start to break out, you see like this huge coiling up, and then boom, impulsive move to the upside. So that's potentially what we could be doing here for BTC. We're coiling up. But personally, I think there's one more wave down in the market, and that we could definitely roll over at any time. So just keep that in mind. If we look at this chart here, which is on the 4 hour time frame, we're watching this bull flag. As you can see, we retested it, and we have started to push up, but we do have a bearish divergence here. As you can see, we created a slightly higher high while creating a lower high in the RSI on the 4 hour. Can be an early sign that the bulls are running out of strength here. and we do have to watch for that potential double top pattern where we come up, we create a top, and we create a second top. So if we begin to roll over here and we break that neckline, that's when we could start to come down for BTC. The bullish scenario is that we just continue to push up, and this wave one is not complete yet. We see an explosive move to the upside, and we see a larger wave one. But as of right now, you can count a 5-wave move to the upside to complete a wave one. So if we do see a smaller wave two pullback, your bounce zone's about 23.2K, in between 23.2 and about 24K. If we break the 0.786, then we could definitely be putting in that larger ABC correction. That could bring you down here. Let me take the fib retracement here. From the bottom of the wave one in yellow to the top. That could bring you down to about 22.1K, the 0.786 coming in at about 21.4. That is if we come down and we lose about 23.2K. We lose the 0.786. Higher likelihood that we're going to see a larger wave 2 pullback. I still think the bullish scenario, there's a higher chance of the bullish scenario playing out to at least about 26K. But we'll have to see what happens here for BTC, because as you can see, there's not much strength in this upward move. But as I mentioned here, in a bull market, we can look right here when we bottomed out in the bull market. Well, this was a Corona dump, right? Even right here when we bottomed out, if we drop in some trend lines, this is the 2018 bear market. You can see here we coiled up, we coiled up, we coiled up, and then boom, we exploded to the upside. So as you can see right here, we're coiling up, coiling up, coiling up. So potentially we could see a large push to the upside. But personally, I think this is a wave 4 pullback, and we're still going to see one more wave down to the market. But if we push all the way up to 29K, a lot of coins will invalidate a wave 4 pullback and will be showing strong signs that the bottom is in. So I might flip bullish if we push up to about 30,000 for BTC, but we'll play it day by day. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Just locked in some juicy gains on Ethereum, Matic, as well as Gala. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon, $10 USD for my leverage trades, my spot trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays, and we also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link. If you want to trade with me, check out my full-length tutorial over on Bybit. Up to $4,500 in bonuses over there, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.